I am at Walmart and we're about to do this shopping trip, and you can see I have my starter kit, I have my Lysol, I have my hand sanitizer, and I have on a glove, and I wiped it down. So let's go ahead and get started because I know you guys will be asking. All right, guys, so as soon as you enter Walmart, they have 75% off all the St. Patrick's Day items. Now, I think with everything that's going on in the world, we kind of forgot that it was St. Patty's Day. But if you ever get a chance to go down to Savannah, Georgia, if you've never been to the St. Patty's Day Parade Festival in Savannah, Georgia, look it up, guys. When I tell you that is one of the biggest celebrations of St. Patty's Day, over 2 million people come, and I've had the chance to visit once. Absolutely love it. Okay, so on this cart, it has a lot of items as far as like your syringes that you would use for turkeys. They also had cat food, dog food. This ranged from anywhere from 50 cents, or I think as low as 30 cents, all the way up to $1. So there was nothing on this rack that was more than $1 if you need these items. Now, moving along, if we go to the cart behind, they did have some of your home items. So you see this porcelain salad plate set. And I want to say this was like $3.50. They had salt and pepper shakers, $3.50. They had, once again, salad plates. This was a nice set. Now, I wish they had more salad plates, but they did have your entree or your regular plate, and they were $3.50. And then they had like your cream and different bowls and different items. And once again, nothing on this rack was over $5. And one of the $5 items, if you can see behind us, is going to be like those eggs that you can put in there. But all these plates were only $1. Bowls were $1. So you cannot beat that at all. And I thought that it was a great deal as well. Especially, I like the fact that they put it out in front. So let's go to the next section. All right, guys. So they do have this rack of sweaters that are $1. Now, if you have these in your area, I would definitely check them out. This would work nice still to me for spring and summer. It's a nice color. And the only problem is it looks like they already sold out in my size. And then they have like some frozen. It looks like this has gotten rated for $1. Now, this is just a regular black sweater, and these should have been to me $1 a long time ago. But you can see and I don't know, I'm not feeling this. Like, even though they have the larger sizes, guys, I am not feeling this. This is so Christmas. Even for $1, I'm like, just give it away, okay? You might as well just give this to the thrift store. Let me know. What do y'all think? Am I just being a little bit too hard on it? It's too fuzzy. It's too much. It's like, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. So this right now is the dollar rack. And then if you move over, they have $5 clearance. And I went on here and I was searching for some things, and it looks like it would be like your activewear, which to me, Walmart has some of the best activewear. Like, I absolutely love it. And so it says $4. I may need to actually try on the app or even scan it and see if it's lower, because it's obviously not $5. And then they just have different shirts on here. And so it looks like they have clearance spread out. And then if we move over here, they have the $9 clearance, and this is probably going to be more my size and different things. So I will go ahead and look and see what I can find. This would be definitely cute, but it was originally $14.96, so not that much of a savings for me at all. And it looks like mostly it is activewear. So let's continue on and see what we can find. All right, guys, so I've shown you these 1,000 times, so I'm not going to spend that much time here on them, just because when I just went to scan them, they have not marked them down anymore, which, come on, Walmart, like, you guys need to go ahead and mark this down a little bit lower. But they are anywhere from $2.50 all the way up to $5. So if you need some jewelry, you can check it out. But honestly, I would suggest that you wait, because no one has purchased this, which means nobody is checking for jewelry right now, okay? If you agree, type I agree down in the comments, because I don't need that. Now, they did add some new items. So it looks like here, this is a jewelry chest, and it is $30. It was originally $50. not bad at all, but I don't know if I would get this. And I say that because, like, you guys know, if I was gonna buy something like that, I would probably buy it from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross. Now, one of the things I thought was really cool was these kids smartwatches, and they are $15. So, and this is just something to look out for, and I'll let you see because we have a full stack of them. So I would wait on purchasing these because they're more than likely going to go down. And then this is just another bin of random items, and I'm sure if I scan this, they will go down as well. And it looks like these are some shirts that are $3.50. Well, it says touch gloves, so I would scan that just to make sure because I don't know what they have going on here. But let's go ahead and keep going. These are the same little, I'm not gonna call them raggedy purses, but these are the same purses that they've had in wallets, and they finally marked them down to $2. And I did go scan them, and they are ringing up $2. And even some of the ones that say $4, these are ringing up as $2 as well. So $2, $2. And then I even grabbed this black one because I thought that was super cute, and this is $2. And just a nice little glitter wallet to hold just a little something. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this just yet, but they do have all of these for $2. These are great, like with the dividers and all different types of things. So not bad there. And then also $2 for like your liners, or like, you know, when you have your high heels on, or you need your shoes or different things to stay in place, they have these. So the pads are $2 as well. And then they also have some stockings. Now, I used to love these growing up, all the different designs. Like, this was the closest I can get when I went to church, like if I wanted to have my own individuality, because my grandma was not playing me wearing red lipstick, red fingernails. That was a no-no in our house, okay? And I don't know, because she felt like if you wore red, you were a woman of the night, okay? So that's just the best way to put it. So if I wanted to spruce it up at church, that's exactly what I did. I wore designs on my stockings, and that was as good as it got for me, okay? Let me know if you guys can relate to that. But then this is another little bag. Now, I may grab this. I'm gonna see if this fits, because I can wear this with something. And it's nice. It'll be a nice little crossbody for $3. Hold on, you might go in my bag. Okay, and then we have some more items for $2. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and go to the next section. Subscribers have children, and you're always looking for children items. Guys, I will tell you a few things that just stuck out to me if I had a newborn. I thought this was, oh my gosh, so cute. And then not only this, like, look at it. It comes with the matching hat, or you can even put like the head bow. These things are so cute. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand. What is it? Modern Moments. Look at this. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Where you can actually put together their full outfits. Oh my gosh, my ovaries are just jumping. Look at this. And it's fully stocked, and they even have it. Oh my gosh, look at this. So if you are pregnant or a newborn, oh my gosh, and $687 is not bad at all. All right, so let's check out the kids clearance. But I thought some of these items were just the cutest little thing ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, so moving along, it looks like they have some clearance here, which would be like on kids shoes. Now I can scan and see if these are ringing up a little bit lower, which I'm more than willing to bet that they are going to be lower than the $4.50 or even $5.50. And this is a 3-piece set, so it was originally $9.94. And they have a few items here. This was $4, the mini bodysuit. That looks like a bet. I don't know, hold on, maybe it's the wrong tag. Look guys, this is what it says, okay? So, but this looks like Batgirl. I think that's what her name is. And what is this? Wonder Woman. And these are $4 as well. And they look like little bodysuits. Yep, $4. Now, I was looking here, they have Disney bibs as well. And these are the toddler bibs, and these are $3. So you cannot beat that at all. And then once we turn around, it's stating here that these are $2, but when I actually go and look at them, they say $1. So, and now of course this will probably be like next Christmas, but some of this stuff you can still get away with it, like on your cooler spring nights, and it is $1. So not much for children. Oh, these are cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If I can get in a size 12 months again. Oh my gosh. Well, maybe even, I don't want to be a 2. Well, maybe I think I'm a 12. Okay. But you know, these are too cute and they're $2. So it looks like the jeans are $2. So you see that. And I mean, this isn't bad, guys. Like, you can put together a full little outfit and spend less than $5. Oh my gosh. And these are once again $1. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to the next section. All right, guys, and right across from the actual babies items, they did have the dollar rack for like the school age girls. Now I will say it looks like we missed out. Okay, so you can see they have some joggers here that are $1, which this is a great deal. These are 14-16 for $1. Yeah, these would be your stay in the house gear. And then they have, this would be like, yeah, I would make it like your quarantine outfit. These are $1 as well. And then it looks like these are your leotards, or I don't know if you can do them as a dual function like a swimsuit, but I would think they're more of a leotard for gymnastics, and that's $1. And then they also have some workout items, so that is not bad. And then the workout items come with a scrunchie, so $1 for that. Leotard sports bras, not bad at all. So it looks like they have cleared it out. So somebody's shopping during this coronavirus, okay? Somebody besides me. Let's go ahead and go. All right, guys, we have hit the jackpot clearance. So you can see this whole aisle is nothing but clearance, and it ranges anything from this slime that kids absolutely love. This kit is $4. This kit is $5. Now, guys, I've seen these so many times that I think they may be lower than that, so I would have to scan them. They even have peels for $1. Now, I've never even heard of this. Like, have you guys tried a shampoo bar? I don't even know what that's about. But we do have that. Then they have like some different toys, which are $17. What is a fuzzy wobble? A wobble? I don't know. But $9 for that. This, oh my gosh, I thought this was something with Lisa Frank. Is it not? Who is Mila the Magical Unicorn? It's so hard to keep up. Like, I have nieces and nephews, and they tell me or send me stuff that they want, and I don't have a clue what they be talking about. And I'm like, am I that old auntie now? Like, seriously, like, I remember when my aunts, you know, will say that we wanted certain things, and they'll be like, what is that? Or da-da-da, you don't need that. And now I'm that girl. Like, I'm that auntie. So I guess it is true. Like, my dad will always tell me, like, just keep living. When you're talking about us, keep living. This is a cool little set for $10, and we have quite a few of these. The bicycle starter kit. So I think this will be cool for spring and summer coming up if we get off lockdown, or, you know, if everything goes away. And these are some great little golf balls. And I think this will be great for like Father's Day as well. So you cannot beat that. Now they have like the window triangles and all this different men's stuff on here. And I'm moving through it a little bit quickly. These are $3.50. Now, you know, in Alabama, the whole swamp and hunting season and different things. So these are $3.50. They have the wool socks. They even have, oh, this isn't bad for $3.50. If you want to, this is the sideless seat cover. And this is Minnie Mouse, and they have Marvel, and they have a lot of different ones. So if you want to decorate your car on there. Now, they also have like your fleece thermals, which I could have swore we got these cheaper at Walgreens. That's where we got them at. Okay, this one is $3.50, but then they want $6 for this one, but then this one is $13. Scan it, okay? Just get the app and scan it. And then they have the hot hands for $2, which I love using those. Now they also have a lot of, okay, guys, I'm okay. This would be great, which is the ultimate body sculpt kit, which, you know, will keep you in shape while you're in the house. But for $15, you might can log on YouTube and find someone for free, okay? And then they also have these hats, which are $1. So all these little hats are $1. Not bad at all. And then more hats, more camouflage. Oh my gosh, this is bringing up my military roots. You guys know this is exactly how we be. And then the vacuum bags, I've never seen these before a day in my life. And I know some of my couponers, let me know, how does these work? Never seen those nor used them. And then they have more little throws and blankets and mattress pads. And then they also have a table runner from the Pioneer Woman, and that's only $2.50. And then this table runner is $3.50. And then just little vinyl tablecloths and coolers. So it looks like there's a lot of things to choose from. Oh, this is so cute. A sleeping bag, a kid's sleeping bag for $7, and they have quite a few of these. The flannel sets are $9. I think these are gonna go down. I seriously do think so. And then I believe these got recalled. I don't remember, I have to check this brand, but these are $7. If I'm not mistaken, they had a recall. So I do be looking out for different things that happen. And a cast iron skillet. Now for all my seasoned women out there that are cookers, this is going to take about 40 years, okay, to marinate and get that seasoning. So this might as well stay right here, because I don't even know. I just have to get like my grandma's or somebody just passed down, because this will take forever. And if you're a seasoned cooker, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Then they have greenies for $1 for people that do have pets. My dog loves these things. I'm not sure what they put in them, but they are expensive. And they have more cat and dog food for $4 here. And then they also have this like cake stand, and this is $15. So just a lot of random items on here. Not bad at all, a great deal. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm purchasing today, and then I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, okay? So I needed some items still for my home. So I got 2 things of oatmeal. I don't know why I like the old-fashioned oatmeal, but sometimes when I'm running late, I want to do the quick oats. So I've got oatmeal, and then I needed some seasonal or seasoned salt. And then I think I'm gonna get this purse because it fits nice as a crossbody for $3. Haven't decided on this just yet for $2. May not. And then I needed some barbecue sauce, and I just made some chicken. I think I'm gonna try to grill. I don't know. It's just been so beautiful here. It's like 76 degrees in Alabama, and it's nice and beautiful, and you just want to be outside. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for all your concerns. And as you can see, I have my starter kit. So I have my Lysol, I have my glove, I have my hand sanitizer. It's gonna be okay, guys. We're gonna get through this, okay? And if I can take a little time out your day and just bring you a little bit of normalcy, like when you're in the stores for 20 minutes, that is my job, okay? So it's okay. We got this. We're gonna come through, and I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be at the next store. Comment down below where you want me to go, and talk to you later. Bye.